I just couldn't believe how long the process took at the Argentina border crossing. The Duran, they kept insisting that I'm required to have a carnet, and they were just playing with me, obviously, because it's not required for line crossings. But they made it seem like it was an imperative. But they looked through all my documentation, and they put on a good show. But in the end, I did get in. So right now I'm camping again. I'm about 100 kilometers north of Salta.
Fährst gleich vor, überholst mich, ne?
Ja, genau. Also ich gucke das Sticker drauf. Und ich packe es.
Ja, du bist immer die Letzte.
Nicht immer die letzten Male, war Becky immer die Letzte.
Aha. Upsi.
Okay.
Once it warms up, it'll clear. Cheers!